Hello friends, let us study about organizing the screen elements. So organizing the screen elements is clearly and meaningfully. So visual clarity is attained when those presentation components are composed and exhibited in a genuine and justifiable ways. So its screen components out helps you to give a certificate consistency that how your screen components are being arranged, how it how they are able to access by the users, and what the meaningful name it is given, what the meanings they are used, on what context they have been using it. So an agreeable and clean association makes it less demanding to distinguish screen key components and to disregard its optional data when suitable. So screen components have this operational and navigational technology, the first thing, and then they have a component like organization, presentation, usage, and location, because screen components ought to be watched for the same meeting and tenants for all parts of your interface screen and all the requisitions of the web page or web screens and so on. Then you have next is your ordering of screen data and content. So it gives a request of screen units of data and components that is prioritized as stated by the client's desire and needs. So divide the information into the units that have a logical, meaningful, and sensible. Then it organized by the degree of the relationship between the data or the information, the data to present it, and its information is given to you. Then it is arranged by the degree of interrelationship between the information or data conceivable, requesting plans incorporated with it. So it's general to a specific. First a general information is given, then you, if you want a specific, you go ahead with the specific information. Then sequence of use, frequency, how many times it has been used, what is the function, conventional importance, and so on. So screen navigate, so from groups that it cover all the possibilities. So ensure that all the information relative to the user task or a needs is presented on the screen. So it's application and web page design and organizations. So they're commonly, so I've explained this point earlier, that common information ordering schemes include the following, like conventional, that means it is provided to everyone. Sequence of use, in what sequential manner you want to use your web pages, your interactive system, and so on. Frequency of use, so frequency or the category you have chosen to display. Then importance and general to specific. So ordering normal reflects a combination of this technique. So information may be organized functionally within each function, and individual depends upon the individual how it has been sequenced, how it has been arranged, because all this plays an important role to your interaction system, because it gives a delightful manner in which your information, your data are represented and displayed to the user. So in the end, the user matters, because your interactive system will be accessed by this user. So accordingly, the interactive system, the organizations of your screen elements to the ordering of your screen content should be built in such a manner that it attracts the user, not with a negative comment. So next time we'll see with a different topic. Till then, bye.